Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Headspace how to remove course. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Currently Headspace doesn't allow you to remove or reset a course from your history, but you can stop progress and choose a different course anytime. What you can do instead is head over and open up your Headspace app and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now in order to select a new course, what you need to do is tap on the Explore tab on the bottom, then tap on Meditate. Now here select a new course and start from session 1. Your new course will replace the previous one in your current session list. Then second is to skip or replace sessions. If you want to restart, go back to the session 1 of the course and you can replay any session by selecting it. Now third is to remove a downloaded course. To do that, go to the library option and then inside library tap on downloads. Then find the downloaded course, and once you find it, tap on the download icon again to remove it. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon in the next one.